These are the 5 mistakes I made when learning how to shoot film. Mistake number 1, shooting multiple rolls of film on a camera that I didn't even know worked or not. I shot multiple rolls without getting the first roll developed, without even testing the camera in the first place, only to find out that all of the rolls I shot, which is about 5 rolls, were all blank. So, learning from that mistake, develop the first roll you shoot and don't continue shooting until you know for sure the camera actually works. Mistake number 2, thinking I needed the best film camera and lens out there. Thinking I needed the best instead of just taking what I had and rolling with it. Mistake number 3, not keeping notes while I was shooting in the beginning to actually learn from my mistakes. Mistake number 4, not studying photo books and learning from past photographers, learning their style, learning how they approach the photo, learning from photographers today. Keep studying, keep learning. And finally, the last mistake, mistake number 5, was not trying different film stocks, being, worried about what other people were saying about different films. Yeah, everyone's shooting Portra 400, woohoo, but go out there, shoot black and white, shoot, the brands that people don't really talk about. You're still practicing in the beginning and you're still trying to find your way and find your look. These are the 5 mistakes I made when learning to shoot film. Let me know in the comments down below what mistakes you possibly made and are probably even still making. I still make mistakes and we're still learning. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave me a like and a comment as well. If you want to subscribe too for future content, that'd be great. Thank you guys for watching and I'll catch you guys next time.